What's the meaning of biodiesel? Biodiesel. Biodiesel.
Biodiesel. Biodiesel. Biodiesel refers to a type of renewable fuel that is produced from biological sources such as vegetable oils, animal fats, and algae. It is a cleaner alternative to traditional diesel fuels, as it produces fewer harmful emissions like carbon monoxide and particulate matter. Biodiesel can be used in most diesel engines without any modifications, and can also be blended with conventional diesel fuel to improve its performance. The use of biodiesel also has positive economic and environmental impacts, as it reduces dependence on imported oil and supports local agricultural industries. Overall, biodiesel represents a promising solution to the challenges posed by climate change and the depletion of non-renewable resources.